Ano sa iba?
I love the shirt. Actually, sa gusto na din, kailangan ko na din.
Hello, basta. Billy, nice to meet you.
Kailangan ko na din yan kasi sa anniversary party namin.
Basta.
Anniversary party namin.
Pwede mo yun? Lulubat mo kung para rin. Pinakadulong siya ng
AJ, nice to meet you. Yes po.
AJ.
Hello po. So yung si name? RD. RD.
Monday pero RD.
RD. Okay, rest day yun ah.
Rest day yung ano.
Thank you.
Ate ko po, yes, tapos siya po ang bayaw ko.
Yes, wife ko po.
Arte manager. Arte manager. Arte manager.
Ay, Monday. Pwede yun, ay pwede. Smart po siya. Ay, po. Yes. Alright po. Pwede. Okay lang. Pwede lang. Salamat ay, si JL, siya yung nagaganar.
Ay, basta.
Nice to meet you. Hello.
Ate ko, si Phil, ang aking bayaw.
Hello. Kumusta, bro?
Good.
Yeah?
Naka-overwhelmed. Nakapagod mag-set up.
Bago mag-set up.
Very excited.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Asan tayo ngayon?
Dito tayo ngayon sa Cafe Ephemera.
Yes.
Dito tayo sa release party ng Dear Take Me Away. Kasama si Jan. Produced by Peace Magic. And ayan, it'll be fun. It'll be fun.
Yeah.
Again, if you wanna see, meron tayong merch. Meron tayong keychains and stickers. Meron kay ate. Kaya Zoe. Ang aking ina.
Yeah.
Meron kay Yero.
Yeah, ho.
Yahoo! Hello! Sana ba na?
my first buyer.
Thank you po. Salamat po.
Thank you.
Sabi niya yung papaswag daw ginagano.
Sorry. Yeah, nice stuff.
Bye now. Bye now. Try na scan natin.
Sige nga, sige nga.
Sige, video natin yung scan.
Wag na kasi basag yung phone.
Check natin. Hey, thank you. Gumagana ba? Gumagana?
Magana ba? Sa Spotify.
Spotify. Ang galing.
Let's go.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Perfect ka dyan. Yes. Hindi siya, may video siya.
I mean, bye now. Punta ko na sila sa
Goodings merch po, 100.
Tara, sundan kita.
Mga nakakarinig po sa akin sa labas, pwede kayo pumasok dito mga lawak pa yung space. Let's enjoy this night. Kasi minsan lang to.
Once again, salamat po pala sa Isaiah for giving this event a place. No? Maraming salamat sa pag-suporta nila sa indie scene. Really appreciate it. Salamat for keeping the extent alive. Wow, that leash! Wait lang, nakalimutan ko yung lyrics.
Give me 5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes everybody will start.
Ayan.
We encourage everyone to occupy this space here. Welcome here at Cafe Ephemera. Dear Take Me Away release party. We have you performers, no? We have a lot of performers pala. You have to watch out. You'll be here until
Until 9
p.m.
I guess.
Yay! May parapol ba tayo? Wala.
Oh, just brings me home where I live my life alone. Where I
To occupy the space here in front kasi intimate dito.
set me free. My you didn't have to smile.
Oh.
Ano? Ako? Umaya na.
For our first performer, papakilala ko na to. So,
Eh, tama sila. Yung for lang yung mas
Pwede po siyang scan sa Spotify. Para mapakinggan nyo yung song.
Pareho
Yes
sila.
po, pareho lang.
Kasi 5 minutes pa lang. Hindi, ano talaga ako eh. It's about the feeling of not being worthy of love. Say, would you talk to me again? If you knew only what could have been. Now I'm finding myself harder to convince. parang I need to be more focused, more sincere sa akin ginagawa kasi
Yung pag ito, hilaw.
sorry, wala kasing interest talaga sa ano. Actually, lahat kasi ng kanta ko is all about love songs and heartbreak eh. So wala
Sama
talagang-
natin sa vlog.
Wala talaga. Wala talagang inspirational na ako pag sinare ko yung mga backstory na episode. Ah? Hindi. For my last two songs, itong kantang to, natapos ko lang siya kayo ng 1:30 p.m.
Wow.
Ayun. Kaya late ako.
Damn, son.
Damn, son.
Kasi nakakahiya naman kay Papi Huge. Sabihin ko sa kanya, ang laking party mo sa pagsusulat ko. You gave us a home.
Bading daw.
Tapos wala akong bagong sinulat para sa kanya. Well, hindi para sa kanya. Kasi weird yun, di ba? Okay, ito. Seryoso ako dito. Tumatawa kayo. Tidak lang.
Start na, ka-start lang sila tayo. Bayaw
So, I wrote
Stop,
this
stop.
song.
Yes.
Keril.
Nice to meet you.
With
Magic.
Sorry.
the thought na
Philly, DJ Philly.
parang, di ba when we love someone, we dedicate a part of ourselves to that person.
So, nagaganan na.
Minsan more than pa yung dapat lagi ilaan para sa amin. And after yung pangyayari yun, parang hindi naman basta-basta makaangkit ulit yung compliment.
Oh, thank you so much. You're the one that keep on. Thank you.
I love this song
Thank
in
you
the
so much.
perspective na what if parang karamdam mo lang yung compliment.
Thank you so much. Appreciate
Thank you.
What's left for the next one?
Hope you enjoy Philippines. Donate siya.
Here's a letter to the
Huh?
person.
Donate siya.
The next person.
Ayaw niya na daw ng merch. Donate na lang.
Pangalan ang title nito is Benefit. Mahal kita.
Price lang ba?
Support local artists.
Lahat ng salik ako'y puso mo na iwan sa iba natin ang buhay ikakaya lahat sa isang buhay na lang sa sulok di na pipiliting manghimasok sa buhay mo di ako ang hangad for being the place for this release party. Siyempre, we'd like to encourage everyone kung trip nyo lang naman mag-comment kayo dito. So, para kasi I'm instructed to say that. Siyempre, happy yun dito. So yun, I'm going to my last song for this set. Oh, pero may 10 minutes pa kasi magkwento na lang muna ako ng sayang na nung kasi yung oras. Kwento na lang ako ng backstory about this song. This song, I wrote this song kasi inherent yung torpe talaga ako. Wala tapos na ito na. Kung di lang umiindak sa ilalim ng buwan, kung di lang sana ako nahihiya kung nakikita ka, di sana hindi. Kontento na ako kung kasama ka sa mundong magulo. Di sana, di hanggang doon na lang. di sana sa puso mo'y mayroong upang para sa akin. Dahil di ko mahagilap sing tayog ng ulap ang madampian ng iyong mga halik.
Sound. Can I borrow a couple, everybody?
Ayan, so basically we wrote tragedy that killed hundreds of party people. Tapos, parang kami nag-decide to, kasi ano kami, edgy, tapos ayaw namin sa gobyerno. We decided to write a song about the Manila Film Center tragedy. Kung di nyo alam Manila Film Center tragedy, it's a
I should be very successful with it. And, ayun, welcome po sa ating lahat sa mga nakakarinig na buwan ng Pilipinas sa West. To the coming side, you're not May lang ulit ako mag-all ulit so please go with me. Wala naman tayong pupuntahan.
Di pa na ako nagpakilala, no? Ako si Zed, I'm a singer-songwriter na busker from Batangas. And yun, para lang sa bagay na to. And Diyos ko, post na post ako. Sino next? Okay. So, for this next song, this is one of the artists na sobrang nilolook up ko pagdating sa vocals. Javi.
Ay, Papi Josh. Papi Josh, gitara ko daw. Gitara mo? Oo, kasi sa ano daw eh. Hindi mo yung bagay sa viola.
Iba yung tune.
Oh my God.
Ay. Parang secret lang yun. Secret lang.
Bakit ko yun, tol?
Ha? Hindi, gano'n.
Ay, ba lahat?
Oo. Ikaw na bahala.
Hi guys. Wow. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Good evening guys. Very solemn, very intimate gig. Alam mo, sobrang thankful ko sa mga ganitong events kasi coming from Pasig, wala pa akong nakikita ganito ka-intimate, ka-close-knit na community. Sobrang nakakataba ng puso every time I come here. Honestly, ito na nga lang yung reason ba't bumabalik ako sa Batangas. So I'm so thankful. Dreams that are still unfulfilled and dreams that we're trying to fulfill, and having this time, having tonight, it's such a fulfilling, rewarding feeling. And I would like to thank everyone who went out of their way. Baka meron kayong mga like may mga trabaho or family matters to attend to, but still you're here. May mga galing pang Taal. Crazy! Crazy! And by the way, I'm with Josh and Keithan, who are so kind enough to join me in my set. I'm so thankful for the two of them. Pasensya na kayo. It was such a short notice. And all I could do was, this song was something I wrote back in 2025. I wrote this when I was thinking of a friend na nasa long-term relationship. They were the lovey-doveys in the friend group. 5 years, I think. And unfortunately, the relationship had day of the week, and this is the song called "The House We Almost Lost." It's a nice song. We still have plenty of time. So, we'll talk about life, guys. Alam ko, I feel like most of us are working. We have jobs or gigs. And lately, ako kasi, I'm a newly grad. Yun nga, I started working. Itong song na to na-inspire to sa routine na nag-develop when I started working in Manila. As you may all know, one of them was the pressure.
Hi! Pili ka na. Kala mo magkakaiba.
Making something happen.
siya? Pili na po.
And the pressure.
Pili na po kayo.
And maybe something happen about your dreams and the pressure of your day-to-day.
Siya po yung nag-design.
And
DJ Pili.
hindi mo siya, walang solution. Kasi, I realized there's no solution to that. You have to constantly happen, and to have this event for you, Papi Yus, sobrang congratulations. Grabe, I'm so happy for you talaga, as in genuinely happy for you, Papi Yus. I wish you the best. Bye.
Kaya pala ang daming sinabi ni Javi. Kailangan niya pahabain yung set niya kasi dalawa lang pala. Nabigla ako dun, ako na pala. This is really one of my constant barkada or tropa, if I may say. And I'm just really proud of this person kasi honestly, hindi naman kasi ganun kadali and hindi ganun kasimple yung path na tinahak niya or pinili niya because it's basically a risk. Pero I'm really happy na this is the start of many amazing things. This is the start of many amazing things that's about to happen in your career as a musician. So yeah, I'm also part of a three-piece acoustic band called Ovir. So I'm one of the main vocalists and also the violinist / violist of that band. Kaso naka-hiatus kami kasi yung guitarist namin nasa Australia. So he's gonna be there for like 1.5 months. So yeah, for the meantime, I don't wanna make this longer than it's already. Wait lang. Okay. So for my first song, I think yung iba dito alam to. And I do hope walang nakaka-relate dito. Kasi it's about me being a victim of people who gives mixed signals. And yeah, ang malala pa dun, 4 different individuals, 4 different experiences, and yet hindi pa rin ako natuto. So, yeah, this is basically the story of this song, and just by my introduction, the title of this song is Di Pa Ba Natuto? Sobrang halata naman, kitang-kita na hindi magtatagal. Saan banda seryoso, gaguhan lang yata to. Kaya bakit ba pinilit, inalaban at pinilit ko pa? Bakit di pa ba matuto, inalaban at pinilit, pinaglaban at pinilit ko pa? Bakit pa pinilit, inalaban at pinilit ko pa? Wala ka lang bang magawa, nananahimik ako ay ginambala. Nago ng iyong motibo, nais na ba ng libangan? Sabi mo ako'y iyong gusto, hindi pa ko handa yan, sabi ko. Ngunit kaya wala dito. Nahihiya. Pero yun, as I've mentioned kanina, I'm really proud of this friend of mine. Super duper proud kasi super nakaka-amaze lang yung ano niya, yung faith niya towards the universe, towards God, and especially towards himself. Although I know that in his journey, there's a lot of doubts as well. It's not easy, ang daming challenges, ang daming conflicts. But, andito na tayo guys. And sabi ko kanina, this is the big... Ayun. Yeah. And of course, I would also like to acknowledge the presence of his lovey-dovey. Nakita ko kung paano sinuport ni Eugene as a brother-in-law. Ni Eugene then, thank you so much for supporting this guy right here. And naubusan ako ng banter friend. Of course, I would like to acknowledge the presence din. Pulang-pula siya ngayon. Please magic. Please do some magic. He has done magic. Siya po ang nag-produce ng song ni Eugene at saka ni Javi. Tayo ka naman, Javi. Ay! So, ayun. Medyo nawawala na ako ng banter friend. Go. Are you gonna use this?
Thank you.
Mas mahal pa dyan. Takamain. Sayang.
Palit, Taylor.
Yan sa mismo. Laban.
Taylor.
Wow. Dramatic line on line.
Next.
Let's go.
Sa'yo to.
Hindi po.
Ano yun?
hello, hello, mic check, hello po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nagpunta. At sumubota sa ating eksena dito sa Lipa o Batangas. Before magsimula ang ulit, pasalamatan. Walang ending na pasalamat. Sobrang na ako overwhelmed. Even yung pag-plan ng event na to. Kaya po nga ako kay Ma'am Mardy kasi ito late talaga. We only posted about this event. Kahapon ng maaga. So, nakakagulat kasi ang dami pa rin pumunta. Ang dami pa rin nag-talk. I really appreciate you. Akala ko kasi hindi sila makapunta syempre. Merong mga taga San Pablo, taga malayo pa. Buwan pa kami na nandito na sila. So I'm gonna sing some of my originals for tonight. And syempre yung nakarelease lang namin na song ni Javi and Bobby Keeps Magic. Ito ako sa Magic niya kanina. Wala akong special someone, so sobrang nasa yearning era ako that time. And nagkataon na yun, pinag-year ko na may isang TikToker na pangalan ay Josie. Yes! Yes! Sino wala akong relate sa gano'n? Si Tati Josie! Pero yung contest ng kanta parang we know each other. First time, 'cause now I'm jaded from my past, but I'm so glad it didn't last. I remember all the promises were sad and now it's all much. We broke a vow and then regret happened now. It happened again and again. Just to bring you back. Don't wanna waste our chance to have to you. Don't wanna waste more of my energy. Just to bring you back. It'll bring you back. It'll bring you back. 'Cause all of my time I could run back to you. I
much originals and contents that I have. I'm gonna sing a cover of ano ba, yun yung biggest inspiration ko, yung artist na to. Sino? Ha? No? Walang no?
No?
Siya yung, you guys don't know him, his name is Luke Hemmings, and siya yung, if you know the band, 5 Seconds of Summer, siya yung main vocalist ng bandang yan. And recently, di pala recent, pero this was released like last year. Songs to take up my suit and wander here for a moment, or stay for a lifetime. I'm on my way to Wonderland. Take up my suit and wander here for a moment, or hide for a lifetime. Para mga ubos yung time joke. Ayun nga pala siya. Pero yun, before I release yung music, syempre gagawa ng distro. Kailangan mo ng, ano ba, pero mag-input ka doon ng artist name mo, and hindi wala akong maisip na iba, and I think it kinda stick around na lang yung name ni Eugene. So, pero at the same time, ayoko rin naman gumawa lang ng bagong artist name just for the sake of it. So, Ayan, yun ang kwento ng UGs. Yan. May X para... Oh, yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah, what's happening? Glad you could come, man. Shout out to 3/4 of Flying. Feeling ko, alam ko mag-release din sila ng bagong single. So, stay tuned. Next year. Alright, so, for this next song. Sorry, nag-perform. I wanna call on kasi tawag sa akin sa Bastangas si DJ Eugene, si DJ Khaled. Kasi ang dami kong, I really love collaborating with other artists. No? So, ayun. I like to call on si Papi Yeho. And it's gonna take And for this next song, magsama rin Yeho. Song's called Fallen, and ayan, saan ba nanggaling yung song na to? I think isang tambay doon sa Dunkin, yeah. So lagi kaming way back, no? Lagi ako tumatambay sa Dunkin to write some songs or mismong tambay lang talaga. And ikaw ba, meron ka bang, what's the story of this song?
Sunday. So doon nagsimula yung first time talaga. Like, yung first time kasi, late night coffee overdose. Parang...
Overdose ka sa coffee.
Aray! Huwag naman sana. Hindi, basically, it's about...
Fallen. So basically, fallen with an I. Nagpo-fall ka ba the act of falling. Tapos, fallen with an E. Kasi, tapos na. Di ba? Past tense. Nagturo ng...
congrats. Yan.
Thank you.
Laging inspirasyon yan na magsulat tayo ng kanta. Thank you.
And see, yes, palaguin natin ang eksena ng Batangas. Shoutout sa A48. Sabi na lang, gusto ko. Alright, so another song. Anong meron? Parang, di ba? Ganun, yes. Ganun. Ayun. Ewan ko ano yung ginagawa nila sa kanilang menu, pero parang magic. Please magic. Okay. For this next song, sorry medyo marilungkot ang aming kanta. For this next song, ito, I wrote this song with Ketan naman. Tinugtog ko rin to nung release party ng A4A. So wala pa rin title. Tinugtog ko so, wala pa rin title. Sorry. I wrote this song when I was walking down the road. Mag-isa ako kasi lagi kami tumatambay sa may Fiesta Mall. I don't know if you guys know, syempre mga OG, di pa Pips ay alam yung Fiesta Mall. Sa likod nun, parang ano siya Cubao Expo type na tambayan. Yun. Meron dun kainan, Kertons, yun ang Kertons number 1, yes, di ba? Ayun, and usually doon kami tumatambay and that was, pre-Zoe, before ko makilala si Zoe. The moment, and wala to, it's about it's about life. I'm sure everyone experienced the overwhelms of life. And I'm the type of person na if ever I'm going through something, ayoko kasing makapag-argrabyado ng tao. So, I really try to fix it on my own muna. Pero syempre, pag hindi naman nakaya, naghingi naman akong tulong sa aking mga kaibigan. But yeah, it's one of the songs na nasulat ko nung I was really feeling overwhelmed in life. I really don't know kung tama ba yung decision ko kasi nilag go kasi yung opportunity to go abroad, mag-pursue nung aking career as an engineer. Pero kasi yung music really sobrang ang cliche sabihin pero it really saved my life, no? Ang cliche, ang corny niya pakinggan pero siguro kaya siya cliche kasi it's true, diba? Hindi naman nagiging cliche ang something kung walang some truth to that. Ayun, kaya sobrang na-overwhelmed ako that time kasi yakap ang aking puso kung baka wala ka. Iyan ang iyong hagod, di ka para sa akin. Ang hirap lang kung bawala sa'yo. Kaya kung pagkalipay at kung ba'y susuko. by yours truly and the rich buddy and Aljan buddy. Okay, grabe. Sobrang overall mo. Nakalimutan ko na yung mga sarili ko lyrics. No?
Nadampalataya Gumuhit agad pa ang pag-ibig Ang pag-ibig natin Punto ng iwaga Kung paano nasira ang pag-ibig Ang pag-ibig natin Pinagpapon Di nga tapon ang mga ada-ada Kung ba't sa talaga Pero okay na to Yan ulit ng gagawin mo Para ko yung
Ma-out dito, hindi nyo siguro magiging without them. Siyempre, kailangan Philly and sa ate ko for making it happen. Ayun, shout out kila sa PL ko, nandyan din. Hello po, salamat sa mga co-work ko before na nandito dumaan din. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Hey! Salamat sa mga humabol, nakabasker ko sa Bastangas. Pinakamalayo galing Davao. Maayong gabi pa. Nadadaan ako. Mag-isa lang ako dun sa kwarto. I thought of writing a song. Tapos, yun, sinulat ko siya. Then, I posted it on TikTok. Tapos, pero hanggang first chorus pa lang kasi it's really hard for me to finish a song. No? Kaya I hit up si Javi, sabi ko, "Uy, Pops, baka gusto mo mag-collab?" Ganyan. Sabi niya, "G, Pops," gano'n. Tapos, sobrang, ano ba? It's a song, it's a call for help. No? I think lahat naman tayo is napunta na doon sa ganong sitwasyon na hindi natin alam kung anong gagawin, pero we want someone to alisin tayo sa sitwasyon na yun, sa sobrang bigat and sobrang madilim na. So yun yung, ikaw ba, what do you think about the song?
Actually, I think this song is a testament to the idea that in the universe there's already the idea of this song. We just had to grab it. And the fact that Eugene,
May ex para?
it was a moment. It was a night, a random night. Tapos naisip niya gumawa ng kanta and there was not an intention. You know, wala talagang, like, this didn't start with any intention at all. It was just 3 people investing in an idea and now it's come to fruition and you're hearing it on Spotify. I'm crazy lang. And I encourage everyone that whatever idea you have, just write it. Just write whatever and wait for the right people. And one day it will happen.
Alam ko sasabihin mo, it was magic.
Please, guys, I know.
Guys, thank you po.
And again, maraming salamat from the bottom of our hearts. Salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta sa ating local artists. Let's go.
forgotten. It's all behind the scenes. Syncopated heartbeats can never be the same. Plucking on my heartstrings, it's all been out of shape. Take me away, take me away, take me away, take me away, take me away. Oh, won't he take me away? Oh, won't he take me away? Oh, won't he take me away? Oh, take me away, take me away. Thank you so much. That was maraming salamat sa pumunta, sa sumuporta. Stiko. Again, ako si Eugene. You can follow me on everywhere.
Excuse me.
Tatlong I. Tsaka may X para... Yes! Yun. Salamat Cafe Efemera, salamat Bastangas. Thank you to everyone. Salamat kay ate, Miss Nadi.
Billy. Keep shining everywhere. Yes. Ayun po, maraming salamat. That would conclude our release party. You stream it everywhere. Thank you sa Ray. Yes. Salamat ng madami.
Take me away.
Pwede po ba tayo mag-picture one last time before we all adjourn? Yes. Adjourn.
Hindi na kayo magkakapareho again. Thank you so much for letting us use the place. Grabe. Sobrang
Yeah, see you around.
Uy, kasama!
Thank you so much.
Uy, introducean nyo lang sa akin. Uy, Kasha ba? Yan. Okay na yan!
Grabe, galing niyo no? Mommy girl?
First lady. Congrats, first lady.
Thank
Good turn na ata. It's good.
Sayang!
Congrats. Thank you.
Jabilina picture.
Box tayo? Tayo?
Hindi pa.
Aray ko!
Kailan nag-release niyo, Pop?
Oy.
Let's
go ulit dyan.
Hindi ako.
Patay!
Sinong job na may pakalanan ito?
hindi pa naman nata.